Morning team. Before we begin rounds, I want to quickly go over biometric verification protocols for pre-admission. We've had repeated issues, and I need you all aligned.
Is this still about the facial scans not syncing?
Partly yes, but more concerning is staff bypassing the system when patients report mismatches. That's not an excuse to switch to manual entries.
Even when the patient's fingerprint doesn't match?
Unless the scanner fails entirely, 3 times consecutively, it must be used. Manual entry is only permitted then, and the failure must be logged. Too often, I've seen logs marked unable to scan without incident reports.
So MIHIRA, the retinal ID's the fallback now?
Only in the ICU and burns unit. Elsewhere, fingerprint remains primary, facial scan secondary. Don't reverse that, even if the face scan seems quicker.
What if the patient's hand is injured?
Then and only then may you go to facial. But always escalate before proceeding. Don't assume autonomy. The real issue is inconsistency. Yesterday, 3 different wards applied 3 different orders.
Got it, MIHIRA. Stick to fingerprint unless clearly documented otherwise.
Exactly. Consistency protects the patient and us.
Mihira, I understand that starting a new medication can feel overwhelming, so let me explain things clearly and gently. Your doctor has prescribed citalopram, which is a type of medication called an SSRI, or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor. It works by helping to balance the levels of serotonin in your brain, a chemical closely linked to mood, anxiety, and emotional well-being. Many people take citalopram not only for depression, but also for anxiety, worry, panic symptoms, and the physical tension that often comes with them. It's important to know that this medication needs to be taken regularly, exactly as prescribed, for it to work effectively. You won't feel the benefits immediately. Most people begin to notice a gradual improvement after about 4 to 6 weeks, sometimes a little sooner, sometimes a little later. This slow onset is completely normal. If you experience mild side effects in the first few days or weeks, they usually settle as your body adjusts. But if anything feels too uncomfortable or worrying, it's absolutely fine to contact your GP for guidance. Mihira, I also want to check what other things you've tried so far to manage your anxiety.